MTD Global are here at EMO 2019 and we're here on the Geminis stand, Paul. Now we've got an absolute beautiful machine behind us. What can you tell me about this machine?
The GT5 is the most popular selling Geminis machine. I went to the factory in Spain about 6 months ago to see where these machines are manufactured. So exciting to be back here today and actually seeing a finished article, but a finished article with a difference as well, because this has new guarding on this machine now. They've got a new look to their machines, a new generation. And the GT5 is a heavy-duty, rugged turning centre. One of the things I learned in the factory was that all of these machines, or certainly the GT5s, are one-piece casting machines, very, very heavy-duty for turning applications like you can see here, Gio. This is something else, isn't it?
This is one of the nicest demos I've seen. You know, the eccentric part of the component, the envelope of the machine. You can walk right into this machine, and it really shows off its rigidity, really. And in regards to technological advancements, Paul, there are many with this particular product, aren't they? Let's start with the modular aspect of the turret with milling features, etc. Paul.
Yeah, so here we have a turret on this machine. This has got mill drill on it and a full C-axis on this machine. But what's incredible about how Geminis designed these machines as well is that this could be a B-axis to give you the multi-function aspect of a machine. So where you would be able to machine parts like this in one hit that you see here simultaneously. So this is just one of many options that you can have to mount your tools. A couple of the other aspects I wanted to mention you that are technically changed on the new GT range, or the GT5, is this bed is much lower. So this is much lower here, which means that you can manage your manufacturing processes, you can get in, you can load parts. It just makes the machine more ergonomic. Also, they've expanded the width of the swarf, or the chip discharge here. It's twice the size as it was. They also have this rack and pinion for the driving of this axis here, which most machines you see have a ball screw, but this has got a rack and pinion, which is a far more precise and a far more powerful method of moving an axis. Huge 1200mm chuck on this machine as well, so it is it's pretty tasty.
Great chuck. I like myself how it's been dropped. I mean, it's perfect for me, really, Paul. It makes it a lot more accessible to somebody of my size. Now, other technological advancements that we've been seeing, it's got vibration tests that you can do on it. So when you're machining such an eccentric part like this, you can actually monitor through the software the vibrations that you are getting, and I can't imagine them being many, really, with one-piece solid casting such as this.
Yeah, well, they've been hitting it with a hammer, haven't they? Which is great. You've been seeing it, and then you've been looking on the control for the feedback. But this is all about digitisation as well. It's about, again, I say managing your manufacturing process. And with the new control that you can see that has been demonstrated to these gentlemen here, this is a Siemens control. It's a touchscreen control, again, for the latest generation of Geminis machines. Important to add before we conclude here is that this is just one of many Geminis models. They've got the GT9, the GT11. They go much bigger than this. So whatever the options you're looking for, if it is just straight turning, you can do it with a Geminis machine. But if it is multitasking as well, even grinding applications, they have, or they can adapt their machines to be able to accommodate. All built in Spain, on show here this week at EMO 2019.